Hi there and welcome to Trackerly. This is a quick video to take you through the dashboard so you know where things are, what's what, and how to get around so you can start using the dashboard right away. And it'll only take a couple of minutes and I'll take you through the whole thing. So starting right at the top, we have this menu bar up here. And the first option here is new. And from here you can create a new destination, a new redirect link, or a new domain. So we'll start with domain. If you're setting up a domain of your own for keyword links or a domain redirect, this is where you want to go. And if you have your own domains, you really want to do this for branding and for getting higher converting links. So I'll click on domain. And we have three types that you can set up. The first one is if you have a website that you have FTP details for, it's your website's on there, and from here you can go in and set up your website. It only takes a couple of minutes. You just put your FTP information in and it will do it all for you. And then we have this version if you have a domain that you're not using that you have bought for keyword links or for whatever, just an extra domain you have, or for domain redirects. So you can point that domain to us and then you can create keyword links on your domain. And later on, if you want, you can bring it back and put it on your own web hosting and your links will keep working. Or you can set it up for a domain redirect where the domain itself, like yourdomain.com, will redirect to an affiliate link or to some internal page or a report or whatever it is you want it to redirect to. And then the third one is for short domains. If you have your own very short domain and you want to make bit.ly style links on your own domain so it matches your brand, you can point that domain to us and do that. So I'll close that. Going back up here, we also have new destinations and redirects. So this is a bit different than you're used to. If you've used any other link redirect system, these two are combined. We've separated them, which is really going to change your marketing. So what I typically do is I will create a new destination first. That's where you want to send people, where they'll end up after clicking on your redirect link. And you just put that in once, and then you can create lots of redirect links for it. So just create that and then create redirect links for it. And there's another video that will take you through creating a destination and creating redirect links and the different ways that you can create them. And then over here we have our search. And if you click that, it opens up this panel over here. And if your screen is wide enough, I would leave that open all the time. Otherwise, you can open and close it as you need to. And there's a whole nother video that takes you through all of this, but just real quickly, you can open up these different sections to get to different types of stuff. And there's basically, you can search on anything you can do in here, and as we add more features and other things, we'll add them into here so you can filter down to anything and then save reports and load reports down here so that you can quickly jump between the different things that you're doing and see what's happening in them. And over here we have the wizard, and the wizard is basically where you can find everything that you'll ever need to do in Trackerly. So you can manage everything like merging redirect link groups and stuff like that, which we'll cover in another video, and dealing with scarcity offers, split test offers, and injections, and your account. And if you're an affiliate, you can check your stats for Trackerly affiliate over there. Everything's in here. So if you can't find something, take a look to the wizard. It's in there. The domains button brings up a list of all the domains that you've set up, and you can just type in the name of a domain and it will just show up as you're typing. And if you click on a domain, it will bring you to the domain management page, which we'll cover in another video. But the important thing is if you ever get an email or a notice that one of your domains isn't working, because we check your domains every day to make sure that the domains on your websites haven't been messed up by your web host or something that you've done to your website. And so we check to make sure that your links are working. And if they're not, you can just click this repair domain button, enter in your FTP details, and it will go and fix whatever's broken. And let's see, training. Over here we have videos like this one, tutorials, a whole bunch of written tutorials, and the tour that showed up when you very first logged in. And we try and keep these up to date. We're making a lot of changes, so sometimes we'll be slightly out of date, and we try and update them as often as we can. And over here in support, if you have any questions about how to do something or that sort of thing, go to the forums, and then everyone can see the answer and we can help each other out instead of having us answer the same question over and over again individually. And then if you have some private email that you want to send us, or you're having a technical support issue where there's something on your domain and you need to send us your FTP details so we can take a look and fix it, just contact us over here. Always happy to talk to you. So if you ever want to get in touch, please do. And of course, you can just log out with this button. So that's the bulk of it. Now, taking a look at the main reports section, it's divided into a few sections. So up here we've got the graph and your total visitors and repeat visitors, and the graph is default to 7 days, and you can change that over here in the date range with custom date ranges over here. And you have the legend over here, which is empty until you put something in it for your own custom graphs. You have all your different reports over here, and there'll be more coming soon. And in each report, you have all of the rows down here that tell you what's in that report. So really quickly, I'll just take a look at a couple of things so you know how to navigate your way around here. So when you hover over a row, you'll notice that there's these buttons over here, and I'll take you through those. So the first one will filter down to either this redirect link or this destination. So over here, you can filter down to a destination. And you'll notice that I often have multiple redirect links for a destination. And just in this case, what I've got is I had all these redirect links at one point went here, and then I moved them to here. So if I want to filter down to just the new ones, I just click this filter button, and now I'm only looking at that destination, and now I'm only seeing the traffic that we're going to that. Now, it doesn't make sense in the last week, it's the same traffic, but if I went to all time, it would change. Then we have the load in the wizard button, which is on the redirect links and destinations, which will load that into the wizard so that you can change things. Here's all the settings down here. Same thing with the destination, all the settings are down here. You can create a duplicate. You can manage the destination for a redirect link, point them to a different destination over here. Instead of just editing the destination, what we do in Trackerly is you select the new destination, and that keeps all your stats accurate instead of just editing it and then you don't know where the stats went to. And then over here, take you to the same stuff as when you're creating a new redirect link or destination, and you can edit stuff, and I'll show you all that in another video. And we'll go through all these features in other videos as well. And then you can make a copy of it, and that's really useful if you're making multiple redirect links, which I encourage you to do for a destination, so like one per marketing campaign. And when you make a copy of it, it will copy all of the settings, all of the notes and metadata and whatever to help you organize your links so that you don't have to enter it in again. But you can also go over to your destination and click this add redirect, and that'll add a brand new fresh redirect link for that destination without any of the settings and stuff from your old ones. And this button just opens the link or the destination or the redirect link in a new tab so that you can go to it. If you click it on the destination, it won't be recorded as a click. If you click it on the redirect link, same thing, but it will be recorded as a click. And this just adds it to the graph. So I'll just show you what that looks like. You can just click that, and you saw it immediately went into the graph, and you can add different things. You can also go and add something from a different report or whatever type of reports you want. You can just add it all in there, and you'll see it's got the icon of the report that it's from and the colors of the graph. And if you can't see things because these are taking up space, you can click these and they'll disappear. So you can barely see them disappearing because they're actually right behind some of the other lines. So I'm going to remove this one from the graph. Which one is it? There we go. And now I can see the total visitors coming in going as I click that. And you can also, as I just showed you, you can remove things from the graph, or you can just hide them so they stay in the legend. So if you just want to temporarily hide them and bring them back, you can do that, or you can remove them entirely. And I'll turn that back on. So that's pretty much everything in the dashboard that you need to know how to use to get started. And Please watch the other videos to see how to use all the different features and how to add and edit redirect links and the different ways that you can do that. It's really powerful once you start using multiple redirect links for each destination, and it's really going to change how you understand your marketing, because normally in this case, like you just see you had 68 visitors on a redirect link, but with Trackerly you get all this extra data of which redirect link took people to that destination. So there you go. Enjoy. Thank you. And if you have any questions, again, just go up to support. You can email us at help@tracker.ly if you have technical support, or go to the forums so that everyone can see the answer to any questions that you ask, and you can see the questions that other people ask as well. Bye for now.